What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sounds like that lawnmower back there is having a little bit of an issue. So today is a huge, monumental, epic day in the channel, in my life, in business. Yeah, I don't even know how to explain it, guys. This is probably the biggest risk I've taken. This is like the most exciting thing that's happened to me. We're gonna get to all of what's going on here in a little bit. You know, first things first though, you can't just go like celebrate. You gotta put in some work, and well, today's a gym day. We're gonna go meet up with our good buddy Dave, who's a little bit hurt right now, so I dug up some old wrist straps here because his wrists are hurting. I don't know, I think we pushed him a little too hard yesterday, hitting those 90-pound dumbbells. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We've just been making epic strides the last couple of weeks, just all across the board. And I'm so happy to be able to share that with you guys. And thank you guys, because well, you guys are a big part of it as well. So let's go meet up with our good buddy Dave. Dave? No, that's a Ford. Dave? No, that's another Ford. Now you're gonna tell me after all that, we get Dave in the Highlander? We don't even get Dave in the van? Highlander Dave?
Dog! Yeah, I tried to sneak it up on you, man. Change cars.
Well, we thought we saw about 14 vans. We thought it was you, and then you sneak up on us in the Highlander. But I gotta say, you're one cool mom.
Thanks, dog. One of many.
Okay.
One of many. Ja Rule.
Careful. I don't want to hurt your wrist, Dave. Are you okay, buddy? Are you gonna be okay today?
Really, dog?
Listen, the
really,
reason I bring
you're just gonna publicize.
The reason I do
like,
that.
Hey.
No, the reason I bring that up. Well, no, you're not gonna help us. They're gonna think you're a stoner, not that you have dry eyes. This doesn't help the cause, Dave. Dave, we're gonna spare you the shame, and we're not gonna film inside the gym today, being that we're probably gonna have to lower all your weights because of your poor. Well, hey, they can hold the mug just great though. By the way, yeah. I'm glad to see your wrist is still capable.
You know where you can get a mug like this?
You go tell me in the description. There's an Amazon link to get that mug.
I couldn't believe it either, but yeah, just like that.
Today, now that being said, let the people know there's no shame in dropping weights to accommodate.
You're hearing this, guys.
To accommodate an injury, buddy. You're gonna be okay. But I'm just happy to see you here on one of the most momentous days in the channel, in work for it, in our lives, in history, buddy.
Dog, we have worked for it, and we got some pretty exciting news today. I've been behind the scenes on some of this.
I know, right? I trusted this guy with some insider information.
Now, but I mean, you know, I think talk is cheap, and I saw a gold microphone, but I can't wait to put my eyes on this. We're
gonna go get a gym session in. We don't want Dave to feel bad, so we won't film it. It's for you, buddy. It's for you. We'll see you guys when we get out. All right, guys. Well, we had a pretty good. Oh, look, Dave. Are we starting a car club over here?
Oh well,
they saw. This is the show vehicle stage. Here we go. American truck, and then we start the JDM movement, and then
cool mom Cougars,
and then we kicked off to the European. Are the wrists okay?
Dog. Man, I want your viewers to know, like,
did the wrist straps help, buddy?
If Rhino offers you some wrist straps, like, hey, don't take them. And then secondly, because whether you wear them or not, he's talking shit to you the whole time. And then
hold on, Dave. They're gonna think I'm mean to you too, because they thought I was too mean to Chris for talking crap to him. I'm gonna go get him my truck now, Dave.
All right, I'm gonna hop in.
All right, hey, follow me, Dave. Yeah, one cool mom. Big moves, big moves. So you guys are in for a real treat today, because I think this has only happened in one other video. We're going to be getting Chris and Dave together in a video again. We're actually going to meet up with Chris right now. Obviously, Dave's following behind us because Chris is kind of coordinating a little bit of some of what we're about to do right now. So he's waiting on us, and let's just go. Let's just get this done. Oh, we got Chris driving in front of us. We got Chris calling us. Hello, buddy, you're on the air. Go ahead.
Do you see me?
I see you, buddy. Is that your work for it? Is that what it says on the back of your truck up there?
Huevo, mijo.
Orale. That decal looks great still, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, we are at step one of today. Let me grab the two most important things here that they probably care about, aka a checkbook and insurance requirements. Uh-oh. Are you guys gonna hug like Chris and Josh hugs?
you gonna slow-mo it?
I mean, you know, you'd think Dave would have got dressed up for this big meeting we're having right now, but he's dressed like he just went to the gym. Chris looks great. Uh-oh, you're gonna jump in the back seat. Oh, on a hanger?
I know.
Dave?
Oh, dude.
Dave?
Dude, what?
Dave,
what's going on,
Dave, I got a set of keys in my hand right here.
What's that?
Well, this nice
I got
gentleman.
one in my pocket.
Well, this nice gentleman handed me this set of keys.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but this gentleman handed me this set of keys in exchange for like way more money than I wanted to give him.
Gotcha.
I think we ought to go see where they go, right?
Well, I mean,
Should we let Chris lead the way? I mean, he's wearing a nice hat that matches his shirt today. It looks good.
And my shoes.
Oh, and your shoes? Oh, it matches everything? Oh, sorry. Tell me.
Chris,
My underwear too.
See what Chris is doing. He's dressing for the job he wants to have.
That's true. There you go. Let me grab this back for you. Let's make a little drive skis and let's go see where these keys take us. Hey, buddy.
You're first, you're last.
That's cute. All right, guys. We're here, buddy. We did it. This is big news right here. This is gonna be the first time right here, buddy. Right here. Are you excited? Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? We're doing this together. We're gonna cross this threshold together. We need a big ribbon. Dave, where are you, buddy? Hurry up. We want to cross this threshold together. Did you bring the giant ribbon and the big scissors?
Am I carrying you guys?
You gonna carry us across? You carry Chris across the threshold.
All right.
Do this. Here we go. Here we go. I want to welcome everybody to Work for It World Headquarters 2.0, baby. This is it.
HQ.
HQ. All right, it's Work for It World Headquarters 2.0. We even got lights.
Awesome.
Well, we got 2 lights.
Oh, security. Security's tight. I like it.
Oh, we got state-of-the-art security system in this place. We don't mess around here.
Hey, dude.
So yes, in case you guys are wondering, ooh, that echo. Hello.
Dog, I can do like karate in there.
So in case you guys are wondering, this is the warehouse we looked at in the past. And well, we ended up signing on it. So once again, welcome to Work for It World Headquarters 2.0. Uh-oh, everybody's taking their shoes off? What is? Okay, Chris and Dave are doing karate together here. All right. On our freshly painted floors. I think you're supposed to say Om. I mean, I don't know why I just started taking my shoes off, but it felt right. Om. Chris. So what do you think, buddy? What do you think about this, our warehouse space here?
Are you asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
I mean, this is like,
Hey, Chris.
throw the rackets down.
Hey, buddy, yeah, it is a racquetball court. So I know we had talked about this place being pretty narrow, but the other day off camera, I came over kind of when I decided to really take a second look at the space. I opened the kind of funky roll-up door back there and actually brought my truck into this space. And believe it or not, you can park 2 trucks wide in here pretty easily. So I think, you know, knowing that really kind of helped me accept the fact that this is actually going to work out for us. Dave's over there inspecting the door. It's a pretty sweet little door, huh, buddy? You roll the roll-up door up first. Don't break my new door, Dave.
You gotta roll it what?
You got to roll the roll-up first.
Alright, well, I'm making sure it's unlocked before I start rolling it.
There we go.
Boy, that just makes this a lot easier. There,
So I would drive my truck in right now to show you guys, but they just painted these floors for me. Pretty much they finished towards the end of the day yesterday. So I don't want to drive on top of it yet and have it all peel up. We'll wait a week before we peel it off. You got to go all the way up, dude, if we're going to open this other door here. And once you put those 2 together, you get yourself a full-sized roll-up door there. That's a pretty big opening. It's about a 10-foot opening, I think, or 9-foot something. Either way, my truck fits in it with a couple inches to spare on each side. That's about a 10-foot, right?
This is my first time seeing it. It's legit,
right?
Dude. It's nice.
Like seeing it in video versus seeing it in person, it's a lot bigger in person than it looks in video. And look at this, like beautiful blank white canvas that we can come in. I'm thinking like a gray color scheme for the warehouse. What do you think, Chris? We'll let Chris used to be an artist back in the day. I think he did like 2 semesters of art in community college.
Did you?
Yep.
Nice.
So maybe we'll give Chris a couple cans of spray paint and we'll let him like tag up that back wall or something, you know? I mean, I know you're excited about the warehouse as well, which this is like my coolest part too. But dog, we got a podcast we got to start soon. And the reason I'm walking backwards is because the lighting. You wouldn't see me if I walked the other way. But you want to go see like some of our options?
Can I poop in this bathroom?
Ooh, I don't know. I'm not allowed to let you poop anywhere. All right, you can have the downstairs bathroom. So kind of the way this is configured is there's like we'll call it 3 offices. One's really like a receptionist area, but we'll call it 3 offices. Receptionist area number 1 with our beautiful receptionist, Chris.
Dog, is somebody caramelizing sugar?
What?
It's because Chris just pooped.
Oh, okay. This is like possible podcast studio right here. You know, decent size. Acoustics are okay in this room, you know?
Right? I mean,
all brand new carpet throughout. You know, we can do a nice, sweet backdrop wall there, or we can do a backdrop wall there, you know?
Is this facing north?
That is facing east.
Alright. That's still.
What, does the feng shui work for you?
Well, it's good for the natural light, you know?
Right.
We want to make sure that we, like...
Well, I'm going to get some blackout shades so we can... It's just our lighting we're worried about. Now, let's venture our way upstairs. And I know I've toured this place already, but here it kind of looks all cleaned up now that it's pretty much move-in ready because, well, we just moved in right now. Bathroom number 2. Didn't they take that off? The stupid flowers on the toilet. I thought they took that off the last time we were here. Did they put it back on?
They probably put it back on.
They probably knew I liked it, so they put it back on. So we got bathroom number 2. Sorry, Chris, you can't poop in this one.
Oh, okay.
This one's mine. You can poop downstairs.
Okay.
And then we've got the big office upstairs here, which is pretty sweet. What do you think, buddy? You thinking this for a podcast studio?
Man, I mean, I think... Well, here's the thing, is I think our podcast studio... Can you share your office with the podcast studio? Because this is obviously like...
Yeah, this
is the office.
should be my office.
Yeah.
No, I'm with it. Yeah, I'm thinking like maybe podcast studio against that back wall over there.
Right?
That'll be our setup.
That feels righter, man.
Right. You want to try it again? You guys want to?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it again. We'll just start with the hugging stuff.
All right. So, this is a lot of hugging. Look how uncomfortable Chris is with all this hugging.
A little too much hugging.
Come on, get over here.
You just put like a random couch right there.
Oh, like with a camera in front of it?
With the camera in front of
Like
it.
a black couch?
Black.
Like for interviews, right?
Yeah. Well, we want used, so we don't want a brand new.
Yeah, you get like a used couch for interviews.
And like a desk.
Dave, are you gonna demonstrate that?
Right.
Yeah. Oh, the trouble the warehouse is gonna get us into, huh, guys?
I've seen some documentaries with this.
Have you? So, if any of you guys got any cool ideas now that you're kind of seeing the space, make sure you guys leave them down in the comments. And you know, we're open to suggestions, but we want to make this place a really cool hangout. I mean, essentially, it's our Work for It World Headquarters 2.0. It's our podcast studio, but it's really our overpriced clubhouse. It's kind of that's at the end of the day, that's basically what we're going to be doing with this space. It's our overpriced clubhouse. It's where we're going to hang out, and we're going to do a lot of really cool stuff for you guys.
Like work?
Oh, hold on! I got one other thing. Come on, guys. I'm gonna need some help for you. I've been saving this for a little while. All right, I had a good buddy send this to me probably a couple weeks ago, and I knew there'd be an occasion for it. It's in my truck. Let me go get it. And so I didn't want it to be shown anywhere until we confirmed the right place for it. And I think we got the right place for it. All right, Dave. I'm gonna hand you the camera.
All right.
Chris, I need to get on your shoulders.
Nice.
Still not as tall as I thought it was gonna be. All right, buddy. We got a Christmas place.
Wow.
Right? If we're gonna do it, hold on. The walls are stiff. All right, buddy. Let's go to the other side.
Looking good.
Whoa.
Ah, sweet.
Hi, buddy. We did it. We're doing it.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Alright, ready?
My butthole is fucking so bad. Oh my God. I just saw my life flash before my eyes.
That's a sweet sign.
There we go. It's officially granted. Tim, brother, thank you for sending me this. I really do appreciate it. It's really cool. I know you guys want shop banners. Don't worry, they're coming. But I've been saving this one for a real special occasion, and I think this is as special as it gets. We have just now christened Work for It World Headquarters 2.0, baby. Yeah. My heart's still beating from being on Chris's shoulders. Oh god, it's scary. Have you ever done it? You want to ride? You want to take a ride on Chris's shoulders?
I mean, obviously I do, but it's like, last time I tried to get close to Chris, it got all weird. Look, see, he's walking away. And he's got like a...
Dave, we need a forklift that big, buddy.
Oh, I got a giant
We need a
thing,
forklift that big for the warehouse.
Impressive.
They did not win.
Dude, they won.
What do you mean they won? We just got started.
Okay.
Well, they beat this guy's forklift, but we can get a forklift that big. I'm curious if they tried it with that forklift and I was like, no, that stuff's not going to move. That milling equipment's way too heavy.
God.
Dude, that thing's huge.
Dude, wait till you see what's on his forks, dude.
Go help him out.
Go help him out. You want me to go show him how to operate that thing? It looks like they're struggling.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't want to be responsible. Stuff looks expensive.
Brother, that looks dangerous, dude. That's coming from Safety Day.
I don't know, but I think if they can get that giant forklift in and out, we're gonna have no problem getting trucks in and out of this place. All right, Dave. Well, hey, man, we appreciate having you stop by. I know you got to go get your kids, story of your life, but big things to come, brother. Big things to come with this place.
No, I'm not surprised. I'm just impressed. Not surprised.
Grab some paint rollers. We got a lot of work to do.
All right, you know anybody that's like fixes up like, I don't know, like apartments for a living or something like that, so we can get an airless sprayer in here?
I think I know a guy.
I don't know, guys. I just gotta take a minute here to bask in how cool this is. It's been my seriously childhood dream to have a warehouse, and I figured once I got it, I figured out what to do with it once I got it. But this is super cool. This is super humbling. I've got you guys to thank for this. I've got my buddy Chris hanging out behind the camera to thank for this. This is it, guys. This is like a giant start to the many great things to come. Now we gotta figure out how to pay for this place every month.
What are you gonna do?
All I know is I just found out commercial or business internet services insanely expensive. Like not even for fast internet. Like I think they quoted me at the medium range internet speed for $450 a month, which I laughed at them and said no. Like we ain't paying that. I can only imagine what the rest of the crap's gonna cost for this place. But if you guys ever get a warehouse, factor in all the extra services you're gonna need a month. Let's go grab the work trucks. Let's get some tools in here and let's start making this place cool. I already want to just paint all these walls gray, like a dark gray. Chris thinks I'm crazy because it's like 10,000 gallons of paint. But I think if you're gonna do it, you make it cool and you do it. Yeah. So it is what it is. But anyways, with that, guys, I'm just so stoked to bring you guys this news, and you guys have been following along the journey the entire time, so here it is. Here's the next big step. As always, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content, like what we're gonna do with all this space that we have now. I have a feeling we'll be able to fill it up pretty easily. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Let's just give it a thumbs up because Dave and Chris was in the same video. Like, that's crazy. Doesn't happen very often. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because, well, we've got this sweet new Work For It World Headquarters 2.0, which means we're gonna be bringing a lot more cool stuff to workforapparel.com. And so, yeah, go check them out. You guys are the best. Catch you in the next video. I'm out. Chris, can you say it?
Roll the outro!
Damn.